girls go crazy.
Welcome back. Today's the next day. I am pretty much walking, or have walked, to my garage. We'll go ahead and just get it rolling today.
Bruh, you need a step stool.
Alright guys, so there's a couple things that we're gonna do today. I kind of explained it a little briefly last night. Pretty much, as you see behind me, we got the Civic K. I wanted to put together the engine shop crane. I'm also gonna try to break apart the tranny and put the LSD in it, and then close her back up. Now it's my first time opening up a K transmission, so it's gonna be an experience for me, as it will be an experience for you guys. By that being said, let's just go ahead and jump into it. So 8mm, 14. Okay, bet. Alright guys, so pretty much got the shit that we need. See you guys back at home and we'll get the transmission started. Alright. Oh fuck, dude. That shit fucking took me fucking forever. So, we'll set this down on the ground here. This is pretty much what we're doing in here. We're taking this out. This is the most part I'm most nervous about. But while I'm in here, I might as well just inspect some teeth. You know, make sure there's nothing abnormal. See what my metal tray, wherever that's at, has picked up. Hopefully, like, not too big of shaving, nothing too huge. You know, you don't want fucking big old chunks of metal in there. Nice. This ring gear, or this final drive, my bad. So if you guys didn't know, you just tap it from the other side and then expose everything there. As you can kind of see, the one that was in there is non-LSD. It's got the little pin in the middle, And what we are doing is we are getting rid of this. Let me set that down somewhere. Getting rid of that to put in this. Now, you guys can't see in there, but it is an LSD because you can tell there is, let me get it in there, nothing in. Alright guys, so we got her swapped over. This is the old one. I'll set that off to the side. And so with these, you want to put Loctite on them. So I'm going to go ahead and just clean them up a little bit, you know, talk to you guys a little bit. I'll go ahead, I'm not going to film putting it all back together. I'm just going to do it back together. I'm going to put it back together, and then from there, you guys should see me again, and then we should be able to close this back up, set it out, so that tomorrow, when the flywheel comes, the flywheel will be here. We can put the flywheel on the engine, and then put the clutch on, and then set this bad boy like with her, and then have a complete full long block with a tranny, and then from there it should be just simple. We just drop her in because I already have the mounts in, so it's pretty simple, guys.